At ChildFriendly, we make it effortless to ensure compliance with ratio requirements. Transferring children to different spaces has never been simpler. Our intuitive attendance module allows you to sign children and staff in and out with ease. Select the children you wish to move, choose the destination space, and decide whether they join an existing team or subgroup within the space or form a new one. With just a few clicks, they're instantly transferred to their new location. Our smart system ensures real-time updates to ratios. Quickly view the status of all spaces in your center with a glance at the attendance map. Instantly identify any compliance issues based on the red, green, and yellow color coding. Click into the space to view precise warning details, allowing you to simply make adjustments to maintain compliance. Ever wonder if you have extra staff that you could use elsewhere? With ChildFriendly, staff visibility is no longer a mystery. Our system displays icons in spaces with surplus staff, allowing you to quickly relocate them as needed. This insight also helps optimize staff scheduling for efficiency and cost effectiveness. For added convenience, families can access the parent portal to view the exact location of their child at any time. No more searching multiple locations during pickup time. ChildFriendly streamlines the process for parents. With ChildFriendly, stay compliant and experience effortless attendance management.